Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Elle. I truly hope everybody's doing great today. So everyone, it's International Women's Day. That's right, across the world, women are being celebrated. March 8th will be Women's International Day. So I am dedicating this video to the cause, to the movement, to celebrating women and their passion, their dreams, their goals, and their accomplishments. I have got a lot of pieces from Amazon lately. I realized that I was lacking to help me essential pieces through my day, especially as a woman. So I'm going to share these pieces with you. I have a lot of unboxing, and the video is for everyone, not just women, but I think mostly women can relate to me because one, I am a woman, and two, a lot of these products do serve in our everyday life, and it's for the home. It's from down to the nitty gritty, as a stapler to vitamins to things that make life a little bit easier. So guys, let me jump into it. So today's video is sponsored by Teddy Blake. I love me some Teddy Blake. Teddy Blake makes luxury handcrafted handbags for us. And for Women's Day, they are having a great sale, and you can get a discount using my discount code. Will be right down here and in the description box for you guys. Voila. Yes. Okay, guys. So this time around, I got me some accessories for my existing handbags that I already have. And how cutie patootie is this? I'm just gonna pop it. Look at how easy that was. Just to pop it right on there. Less than 2 seconds. And it's on there. Don't you just love that little bit of accessory? It makes all the difference with a bag. Yes. I am loving this one. Oh my gosh, this is so cutie. It matches with my outfit. It's perfect for spring.
Teddy Blake never compromises on quality and luxury like this Croco Kim bag that features a beautiful exterior as well as a luxury interior. Teddy Blake understands a woman's needs for a well-structured everyday handbag, so check out their site today. There are so many styles and beautiful bags to choose from, accessories as well. Don't forget to use my Women's Day discount code. Everything will also be in the description box. Check out Teddy Blake's site for some luxury bags, guys. You're gonna love it.
Okay guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump into these Amazon packages. So this is what I ordered as something for my desk or one of my bookshelves. I think this is beautiful. It's women supporting each other. I think it was perfect statement for Women's International Day. It's about sisterhood and cherishing women all together and lending a helping hand. It's this little object, this statement piece says so much. It does make a statement, right? And they do come individually, but when I saw this one, I had to have it. Let me move into the next piece here because I don't want to keep you guys all day. So what is this? Oh, so this is another picture light, guys. So I've shown you this on my last Amazon haul. I had a gold one. So this is from Luxway, and I got the black one. So this is going to be hung up in my office. I only got one for now.
What I like about this particular picture light is that it doesn't require batteries. You just charge it and it turns on. Here you can see you pull the lever, and then there's also a button on top where you can change the color of the light. So that was really cool. And it comes with a remote. This Black Goddess Egyptian artwork was also purchased from Amazon, a little over $14. It comes in different sizes and different shapes as well. So this is a chandelier that's meant for my office. I had already purchased one for my closet makeover. However, it doesn't seem like it's quite the same color as the first chandelier that I got. So I think I will be returning this and trying to see if I can find the same exact color. I thought I ordered the same item, but as you can see here, it does look like a different color. I don't think it can pass, but this is how it's supposed to look. So I'll be returning it. I also picked up these beautiful vases from Amazon. I love them and they're really going to make a statement in my office. I got 3. I got this planter, guys, and I liked the look of it and everything, but it's actually 2. It's a set of 2, right? And I was going to open it too and set it up for you and put the plants in it and everything, but as you can see here, they sent me an old set, or it doesn't wear and tear properly, so I don't recommend these. I was going to show it to you. Maybe you can find something similar. I would say don't order this from Amazon, but I know Home Goods sells some things like these, but I thought the concept was really nice. Again, I don't want to open up the other one because I'm definitely sending it back. They're old. The base of it is old and rusted, so yeah, I'm definitely not going to be keeping these. But it is a pretty, it's pretty, it's nice, but unfortunately it's just damaged. Okay, so let's see what's in this one. So I got this Essentials Airwick Mist here, and this is for, it's lavender and almond blossom, right? So it's not too fruity. It's a nice smell. Lavender is supposed to help anxiety. It's that easy. And then you just see the light went on. There it is. It really smells good. So then I got this 4-piece canister set, and it's for the kitchen, or you can have it somewhere else if you want it, you know, your butler's pantry or even your office. And we all need, I think we all need these pieces to help, you know, continue organization in our house. I think they're really, really sturdy, beautiful pieces. Okay guys, so next up I got me this ZM13 Black Chartreuse massage pillow with heat. We all know that we need a massage pillow, and we need a massage, but sometimes we can't always get to the spa or to the masseuse. So I got me one of these because I wear a lot of heels, so I usually have a little bit of back pain going on. So yes, I went ahead and I opened this already. I did try it out, and it works wonders. I don't know, one thing I have to say about this is don't keep it, it plugs in, so you have to keep it plugged in. It's not battery operated or Wi-Fi or anything like that, Bluetooth. It has to be plugged in. But one thing I have to say is that don't put this directly on your spine. It's not healthy.
this backed Brew to a Tea. So, guys, here are these beautiful teacups that I got. And I got it especially for my office because it comes with this little spoon, and it's actually a tea set. It has two cups. Ebony, ivory, living in perfect harmony. Anyway, yes, I got these, okay? I celebrating myself as a woman and my achievements in life, and that's okay to do. So yes, these cups are perfect for your brew, for my tea. And I thought to myself, get these cups that my kids or my hubby can never say, oh, I didn't know it was your cup, right? So this just looks grown up. It looks very, very feminine, yes. And I love the little spoon here. Now to go with my beautiful teacups, I got these Taylor's, a heritage since 1886, assorted specialty teas, and I am in love with the tea set, so. Sorry, it's random. I'm opening these boxes with you guys, so I know it's a little random. I'm all over the place. Oh. Then I got myself, oh, it comes with a cleaning brush. Very nice, very nice. Everybody needs to drink more water, and it's great if you could filter the water yourself and not always have to buy that bottled water. But this is a half a gallon. I do have a gallon one that I picked up from Home Goods, but Aquafit it's called, and it has other colors as well. It actually has a timeline. By 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. you should have drank all of this water, okay? Okay. We have a lot of thoughts going on in our head. We need a lot of reminders, and we put it all in our phone. But nothing is more personal when you can look back at your own handwriting. It's more heartfelt, and sometimes the way you write can tell your emotion. And so I got myself a journal. It's not the most feminine looking, but I just love the way it looks like it holds a lot of secrets, right? So again, the prices will be here for you. And yes, I do love this. It's thought space, and what I liked about it, it's like you're writing yourself an actual letter. It's good. I love it's still lined, and has like 185 pages. I also picked up these pens to go with the journal. I have these pens here, and there's 6 pens, gold pens, and you know, to encourage me to write, or you to write, it's great to have a fancy pen. I have another little package here. I got me a gold stapler and a gold scissors to go on top of my desk in my office that I am making over. But these are like essential things that I was missing from my life. Like at work, in the office, yeah, you have a stapler, you know, but you can't take it home with you. That would be theft. For ergonomics purposes, we all need
This wrist rest helps to alleviate pain within your wrists, any type of strain. It's really helpful when you're in your home office or in your office at work. It has memory foam padding. It really is a good device to have to prevent carpal tunnel. It's really helpful for me, especially using a laptop.
Okay, guys, so let's see what else we have. So these are the snacks. I have a tendency to snack unhealthy, and this is just a great box. It's healthy snacks, bite-sized candy, low-calorie healthy snacks, kosher and vegan for every day. It's Premium Penguin Healthy Snacks Care, and it comes with 28 pieces. It has the veggie straws, the Pirates Booty aged white cheddar, pop kernels, I think it's called, pop chips, popcorners. These are my favorite. And then it has all of these goodies in here, guys. All of these goodies. So I'm loving that little Kind bars. And this is good. I can keep it in my office and hide them from my kitties. And these are just for me to eat healthier as a woman, to, you know, get safer foods. Well, I'm sure it has preservatives in it, but, you know, I think like little bits, everything in moderation. Last but not least, I ordered these petites. These are her vitamins from Centrum Women's Vitamins. They're one a day, and I got them from Amazon. And vitamins, you need that B12, you need that vitamin D, you need those things. It helps against COVID, vitamin D. You need the essential, you need your iron. It helps with mental health, guys. So don't forget to take your vitamins along with drinking a lot of water. Thank you so much for hanging with me, guys. I really appreciate you all. Take care, and I'll see you soon.